Okay, so this fridge, this is before a food shop. So we got a food shop coming on Thursday and it is now Tuesday. So this is running a little bit low, but as it's COVID, we like to make sure we've got fully stocked, and we like a fully stocked fridge anyway. So let's start here, and we're just going to go through quite a few things, maybe not everything, but some of the key bits. So along here, we start with our plant milk. So we've got organic here and non-organic here. I like this one because it's got calcium. Wait, what's it got? It's got calcium in it. Yeah, it's got B12, riboflavin, so B12, B2, and vitamin D, and calcium, which is great. I had a knee injury recently, so I've got to be strengthening my knee. So I have this until I've got all the calcium I need for the day, and I switch over to the organic one because the organic one is literally just soybeans, so it doesn't have any of those added vitamins. Excuse me, because they are not organic. But then you get the benefits of having an organic product, which is great. Right, then we've got next to this is your Alpro plant protein. I really, really highly rate this product because it's from Alpro, and it's Alpro plant protein. It's chocolate flavour, and it's got 50 grams of protein in the whole thing. So I have 300 millilitres, which is just over 15 grams of protein, and it's really awesome. And also, more importantly, it has those vitamins that the other soy has in. So it's got calcium, B2, and vitamin D. So I have this with my cereal, this one with my cereal. Then I have this as a snack after I've worked out or just throughout the day. And then I finish the day with this one, which is great. Then I got my juices. I'll have apple juice and orange juice, but they are organic. I'm not an organic snob, but I do know and understand the benefits of having organic produce. I just feel personally, not only do you avoid kind of some weird ass chemicals, there are some chemicals I believe in some organic food, but I just want to try and avoid it as much as possible. But actually the biggest thing for me is that I believe that the organic food is the best. So it is a little bit more expensive, but it's just had more time and care with the growth. That's my personal opinion, and I think I can taste the difference. And also, I just feel the rules are a lot stricter. So not only do you have some of the pesticides and bits, or chemical pesticides that you avoid, but also the ingredients are just so much more strict. So like this is literally just apple juice. I know you can get some that are just apple juice, but with other products, for example, like this soya milk. When it's organic, I mean, all there is in here is soybeans, because they can't put any of the stuff that can't be grown organically. So that's the reason for me. I'm not a snob about it. I have lots of non-organic produce in here, but also it's not that expensive. These are super cheap. They're own brand, so yeah, I think it's worth it. Then let's go up into the sauces. We've got your normal. I've got multiple sorts of mayonnaise. We've got Dijon. We've got French. I love this. I have this for my New Yorker sandwiches, which has vegan pastrami from Squeaky Bean, and then I have this on top, which is awesome, with some gherkins, but I've run out of gherkins, so I need to get some. This is from Leon, the restaurant chain in the UK. I don't think they're anywhere else in the world, to be honest. Maybe in Europe, but I don't believe they're in America yet. But they're called Leon. They're like a fast food, but they're kind of healthy takeaway. But they're not just vegan actually, but they do this whole range now in supermarkets. I got this from Sainsbury's, and it's these range of condiments, and this is called Korean chili mayonnaise, 100% vegan, naturally vegan, and it is really good. I have it in my sandwiches. What else we got? Yeah, then we just got kind of your Japanese stuff. We got your miso and your teriyaki. This is awesome. This is so good. It's like motor oil. It's so sticky and thick. Really good. On top, yeah, we're not going to go into this stuff. We just got your tomatoes. We got some. What's this? Oh, this is the very lazy chopped garlic. Now this is a luxury, but it's just so much easier than chopping garlic. We really like it. My wife does a lot of cooking, so she uses that and really likes it. So, it's one of life's little luxuries. Then we've got, of course, just for the complete trio of mustards, we've got whole grain, Dijon and yellow. Are there any other mustard? English mustard? We don't have that. Very bad. Maybe we should buy some of that. Right, let's get into the main bulk of the fridge. Okay, so first of all, you got to see it. We got our tofu, staple. We might be near the end of our fridge, but of our weekly kind of food, but we still got a tofu in there. Emergency tofu. What else we got? Cherry tomatoes. I am a confessed cherry tomato fiend. These are from Lidl. I picked them up today. So cheap and so good. You can just eat one of them. Oh, they're so good. Eat one. I can't eat one. I eat the whole pack. What else we got? Hummus. We love a bit of hummus, chickpeas. This is organic as well. So these are the bits where we do buy organic. So I really like the Sainsbury's range because it's so cheap. It's just crazy cheap. Obviously it's not as cheap as the non-organic, but it's really, really cheap. And you get organic produce, which is great. And it tastes awesome. Ketchup, my standard. I go for about a bottle. No, not a week. A bottle of this every few weeks. And I love it. You can get organic, which probably should buy, but I don't because I can't bothered. Carrots. I've really got into my carrots recently. I started tracking my food nutritional content, and having a couple of carrots honestly does wonders for all of your for your nutritional vitamins. So definitely pick up some carrots when you're next in the shop. This, we pre-cooked a load of quinoa. We use these glass pots. We got them from Amazon. They're really cool. So they're glass and then with a plastic lid. We got them just because, I don't know, it's a bit weird if you're microwaving plastic. I think glass is a lot more safe and it's better. And they last. Basically, they'll just last forever. So you can just chuck them in the dishwasher and they won't degrade or bend or flex or anything. They're awesome. Got them from Amazon. Really cheap. I think we got 5 for like 15 quid or something like crazy like that. Avocados. What's a fridge without avocado? Then we got this actually. We had fajitas the other night. No meat, no vegan meat in there, but just beans in our fajitas, and they're really good. And then you got this salsa pack, which is awesome. So we'll be having some of that tonight. What else we got? Leeks. Why not? This is awesome. Absolutely love this. This is a company called Flora, and they do it's basically vegan butter. I think they do non-vegan butter, but this is their plant butter, and this is the light version. I prefer the light version because it's much less fat. But what I love about this is it has some vitamins. So it has vitamin D and A, but then it also has your omega-3 and 6. So sometimes I used to not really like putting. When I was eating dairy butter, I didn't put it on because I thought, what's the point? It's just full of saturated fat. But this is full of loads of cool stuff. So I chuck this on my sandwich and it really helps me hit my omegas. Then we got, yes, I've been talking about my sandwiches. So I have this Bergen Bread. I love bread, I love toast, and we tried all sorts, but I really like this one. It's got, it's high in omegas, and it also is fairly high in protein, but also, I'm pretty sure I'm right in saying this, it has calcium in it. So let me just go to the side. Yeah, it has calcium. So per slice, it has 15%. So for 2 slices, that's 30%. That is decent. And like I said, I'm really trying to keep my bones healthy. So that is why I do that. Mushrooms. Love mushrooms. What's this? Oh, this is great. So I believe we have something, sometimes we have an Abel & Co box just when we feel like we need to be a bit more posh. And Abel & Co, they're very, very posh. And we get them delivered. This was, we literally do it like once a month, every other month. But it's really nice. You get it delivered in a box. It's all organic and normally locally produced. This is Cavolo Nero, which is a really cool veg. It looks pretty mental. This, if you want to get healthy, eat this. Done. It's got loads of nutrients. Definitely recommend it. Okay, hummus has gone on the floor. Don't worry about it. I've actually dropped that hummus once already. Let's have a look. And that's why it looks full, because it's gone on the lid. But it's not full. It's almost empty. God, I like the packaging. It didn't crack. Okay, right. What else we got? Let's go to the top shelf. Oh no, before we get to the top shelf, let's do this. This is our little cheeky cheese drawer. Secretly tucked away. So what we got? So we've got a mix in here. We've got this, which is the Lidl cheese. It's from Vermondo, vegan Italian style, grated, aka Parmesan. Fun fact, did you know Parmesan, the regular dairy cheese, is not even vegetarian because it contains rennet, which I believe is from goats' intestines or stomach. A little dirty secret of the Parmesan industry. But this is 100% vegan. So yeah, it's not that nice, to be honest. There's hundreds of other vegan cheeses out there that are awesome. And this is one of them. Applewood vegan slices. These are amazing. You can get them on offer and they are cheaper than the unsliced, and they are so good. They melt really nicely. As they say, it melts beautifully. Also, they have B12 in them, which is awesome. Yeah, I keep stocked up with these. I have them in my sandwiches and they are great. One more thing from Lidl, which I haven't opened yet. It's Greek, so basically vegan feta. Haven't opened it. Wasn't too excited with this cheese. I haven't bothered with this, but I've heard actually it's quite nice. So watch out for a review on that soon. And then we've got these Wheaty, the vegan way. So these are seitan, which is wheat gluten, I believe. These are from, I can smell them. They smell good. These are from Abel and Cole as well, so it's a brand I've never heard of before. Vegan salami. Let's have a look. Yeah, wheat gluten. Super high in protein, that. Jeez, look at that. Per 100 grams, 32 grams of protein. That is awesome. Seitan. Very good. Okay, let's put that lid back on there. We'll deal with that in a minute. We got to go top shelf. Okay, right. This is probably the most expensive thing in this fridge. Innocent coconut water. £3.20 a bottle. That is expensive, but it's pretty cool. It's a natural electrolyte, so we drink it to stay hydrated. But we actually mix it with water, so you can do a quarter mix with water. It's pretty good. Lasts a bit longer. Yeah, very, very healthy. It also has some vitamins and minerals in, I believe. Can't remember which ones, but I'm pretty sure it does. What else we got? Okay, we got... Yes, we did cook a lot of quinoa. If you need a quinoa snack, come around our house and we will give you one. Right, what else have we got? Right, we're going to speed up a bit because I'm rambling, but this is a new brand called from Future Farm. Future Mince. If you live in the UK, I think it's over Europe now, there's a brand called This Isn't, and this is basically very, very similar branding. I'm not going to say they've copied it because that would be wrong, but it's very, very similar. But I've got no problem with that. I love healthy competition, especially when it is very healthy because it is vegan. The revolutionary mince made from plants. So I'm really excited to try this. We picked it up from Sainsbury's. Let's have a look. What's that? Per 100 grams. It's got a bit of fat in. What's it made out of? Vegetable protein. Soy protein. Protein, 10 grams. It's not that high actually. But hopefully it's nice. They're Brazilian. They're quite interesting. So watch out a review on that as well. Right, then we've got this is where your protein comes in. So we've got, which if you've seen we did a review on, check it out in my feed, plant power tempeh, curry flavour, high in fat, but really, really nice. What else we got? Oh yeah, these look cool. Haven't tried these yet. They're called Light Meat, like chicken bites. Organic again, that's decent. Soya, oh man, look at that. I didn't know we had these. Oh man, might check these out. These are really cool. Soya-based chunks. Yeah, like soya protein. That's decent. Per 100 grams. Yeah, 18 grams of protein. That's what we're talking about. God, super low fat as well. These are great. Okay, really like those. Gluten-free as well. Wicked. Then second to last thing, this should be a staple in your fridge. It looks like I've got a lot of organic food, but actually the beauty of vegan food is a lot of it is just naturally organic. So I think these are like £2.20. It's marinated, it's sliced up, it's organic, it's delicious, and you get how much of it? How many grams is it? 160 grams. Like compared to meat, for the calorie per calorie, that is just ridiculously cheap. And it's the organic chicken would be insanely expensive. And per half pack you get 14 grams of protein. There you go. Vegan society, organic. It's a no-brainer. Actually, it isn't a no-brainer because you shouldn't buy this one. You should buy the teriyaki version. Much better. But I do like the marinated one. But that's why it's still in the fridge, because I ate the teriyaki one first. And then finally, from White Rabbit. So they're a vegan pizza company. You probably wouldn't actually... you wouldn't... I can't think of the word. You wouldn't think this was White Rabbit, actually, because you wouldn't recognise it. That's the word. You wouldn't recognise that this was White Rabbit because they have new packaging, which is here. To be honest, I'm not sure I really like it. It definitely stands out. It looks a bit... I don't know. I'm not sure about these black and white bits down here. I really like the rabbit, but I think you miss it. And I think that font is it's a bit weird, isn't it? But food, hopefully, is unchanged because it's amazing. So this is the Rainbow Vegan from their... Oh, actually, I don't know. I don't think I have. Oh no, I think I have had this one before. I've had loads of vegan of the White Rabbit. Most recently, their Christmas one, but this one is the Rainbow Vegan charred grilled vegetables, charred. Wow, creamy mozzarella and harissa. So that's their plant-based mozzarella. Look at that. You actually get a lot of toppings with the White Rabbit. Sometimes the pizzas are a bit small, but it means they're really decent calories. Oh yeah, these look good. Hey, I might have this tonight. Okay, so that's my fridge. Hope you liked it. I'll probably do a video again once we've stocked it up and it's a little bit more full and exciting, but hopefully that gives you a bit of an oversight of a vegan fridge. Peace. See you in the next video.